Hey guys, it's me, the FedEx in Chicago fan 2025 on my backup channel on here. And today I'm gonna do it's that time of year again. The Truck Series regular season is now over. Now have the playoff field set for this year. Yep, it's that time of year again. So the list of the drivers to make the play because the Craftsman Truck Series drivers who made the playoffs this year are Grant Finger, Corey Hine, Jake Garcia, Ty Rackham, Daniel Hamrick, Lane Riggs, Chandler Smith, Kaden Honeycutt, Raja Karouf, and Ty Majeski. So here are going to be so let's begin my predictions. So the list of predictions right here. So the drivers first of so the drivers to be advanced to the runway are Graham Finger, Corey Heim, Ty Rankrum, Lane Riggs, Chandler Smith, Raja Karu, Kenny Honeycutt, and Ty Majeski. And the drivers being eliminated around 10 are Jake Garcia and Daniel Heinrich. And now we have the round of 8 set. Now move on to the Championship 4. So the drivers, in my opinion, be advanced to Championship 4 are Graham Finger, Corey Heim, Chandler Smith, and Ty Majeski. And the drivers being eliminated right away are Ty Rankrum, Lane Riggs, Kenny Honeycutt, and Roger Karouf. And now we move on to the turn who win the championship. For me, the driver who win the championship is gonna be Ty Majeski. So there we go. Then there's my 2025 NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series playoff predictions. Hope you enjoyed them, and see you next week, and see you next Saturday when the Cups after Daytona for the Cup Series. Bye for now.